Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be discussing with you writing task 2, and the question for today is more and more people are suffering from health problems caused by a modern lifestyle that cannot be treated with modern medicines. Some people think that a return to traditional medicines should be encouraged. To what extent do you agree? So nowadays we all know that more and more people are suffering from health problems, and this is because of the modern lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle and excessive level of stress. And so because of this, some people think that we should revert to or return to the conventional medicines like herbal medicines, ayurveda. To what extent do you agree with this notion? Many health problems have arisen as a result of sedentary lifestyle and excessive level of stress. So because of this, these two, a lot of health problems have arisen have existed. Many people believe that conventional remedies may resolve many of these issues and that we should revert to them. So many people believe that we should revert means we should return to the conventional remedies or conventional medicines. Traditional medicine, in my opinion, is the key to curing problems that modern medicines cannot manage without causing a side effect. So what is the biggest advantage of using traditional medicine is that they are not having any kind of side effects which the modern medicines are having, and even in a huge quantity, we can say. To begin with, modern living and working practices have produced an atmosphere of extreme stress and anxiety, particularly among those who live in metropolitan areas. The body is seriously impacted by a lack of physical activity and the frequent use of packaged food. So these are the two causes. Because of this, a lot of problems are occurring. As a result, individuals are more likely to suffer from chronic diseases. Chronic means terrible or long-term diseases like cancer and diabetes, which are extremely difficult to treat if not detected early on. So if someone is not able to detect, and if in someone these diseases are not detected in early stages, so it will be difficult to treat them. Furthermore, according to a recent survey in China, these disorders are rare among people who live a healthy lifestyle and use herbal medicines and roots. So those who are more inclined towards herbal medicines and live a healthy lifestyle, those are living healthier. Therefore, it is no wonder that some people are supporting a shift away from allopathy and towards Ayurvedic medicine. So this is the reason some people are shifting from allopathy and moving towards, and we can say returning to Ayurvedic medicine and herbal remedies, which have an established track record of treating major ailments with minimal side effects. So because Ayurveda is having a track record of treating major ailments, major diseases with minimal side effects. This is because ancient medicinal system addressed diseases by attacking the root cause of the problem and healing the patient's need. So this is happening because we all know that Ayurveda will work slowly, but it will attack the root cause of the disease. For instance, chemical contained in the root of the turmeric plant has been clinically demonstrated to be effective at killing cancer cells while leaving healthy cells alone. So what is demonstrated, like the root of the turmeric plant can heal a cancer patient by killing the cancer cells and leaving healthy cells alone. Modern methods, on the other hand, such as chemotherapy, have potentially fatal consequences. So the chemotherapy is having very bad effect on the body. To recapitulate, I believe that natural remedies are more effective at addressing health problems created by modern lifestyles, because I am of the viewpoint that natural remedies are more effective. So at addressing health problems created by modern lifestyles, since they have fewer adverse effects and the possibility to treat a person holistically, means completely. So because they are having few adverse effect, bad impacts on the body of a human and the possibility to treat a person completely. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.